Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 18th August 2021. Now I am going to start today's Amazon 5 most important quiz questions. Here main page open now, and I am opening home page. That programs and features, some subcategories we can see here in that fun zone I found here, where you find daily quiz questions. So fun zone page opened, win prize every day, and scrolling down for today's quiz questions. Here it is. Quiz time now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 am. Answer and winner rupees 5,000. So as compared yesterday, 10 times reduced. Yesterday's amount, winning amount is 50,000. Today 5,000, 0 reduced. Now I am going to click on play now button. One more page opened here. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. So when 5 questions answers correct, then only there may be chance to enter the lucky draw, and also chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 5,000. So I am going to start by clicking on start button. Here it is the most awaiting first question. Valmiki National Park is the only national park in which state of India? It is the most amazing question related to history and current affairs. Valmiki National Park is the only national park in which state of India? The options are Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar. Which one you are guessing? So I have been telling that whenever you see the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, so guess yourself any one answer and check after completion of all 5 questions, how many questions were right, how many were wrong. Like that you can test your learning skills, and from the based on the options, sometimes you can gain some more information also. So which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info about this question. Valmiki National Park is a tiger reserve in the West Champaran district of Bihar, India. It is the only national park in Bihar. You got the answer? Valmiki Tiger Reserve covers 898.45 kilometers square, which is 17.4% of the total geographical area of the district. As of 2018, there were 40 tigers in the reserve. So the correct answer is Bihar. That is the fourth option. So Valmiki National Park is the only national park in Bihar state of India. I am clicking on the fourth option, Bihar. I think you guessed this only. Now moving to the second question. In July 2021, the Department of Public Enterprises was shifted to which ministry? Repeating the question. In July 2021, the Department of Public Enterprises was shifted to which ministry? The options are Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Cooperation, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Commerce. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Keep the answer in your mind. That means your guess. The Department of Public Enterprises is the nodal department for all the central public sector enterprises. In short, we call them as CPSCs. CPSEs means the Central Public Sector Enterprises, and formulates policy pertaining to CPSEs. It lays down in particular policy guidelines on performance improvement and evaluation, autonomy, and financial delegation and personal management in CPSEs. In furthermore, collects and maintains information in the form of a public enterprises survey on several areas in respect of CPSEs. In May 1990, BPE was made a full-fledged department known as the Department of Public Enterprises, DPE. Presently, it is part of the Ministry of Finance. You got the answer. The shift of DPE to the Finance Ministry will help in efficient monitoring of the capital expenditure, asset monetization, and financial health of the central public sector enterprises. Okay. So, as per the question, the correct answer is Ministry of Finance. That is the first option. In July 2021, the Department of Public Enterprises was shifted to Ministry of Finance. So I am clicking on the first option, Ministry of Finance. I think we guessed this option only. Bang on came here. Now moving to the third question. Which reusable robotic space plane is scheduled by NASA to deliver cargo to the International Space Station in 2022? Repeating the question, which reusable robotic space plane is scheduled by NASA to deliver cargo to the International Space Station in 2022? The options are Dreamweaver, Dream Chaser, Dream Girl, Dream Catcher. Which is your option? Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Dream Chaser is an American reusable lifting body space plane being developed by Sierra Nevada Corporation, SNC Space Systems. Originally intended as a crewed vehicle, the Dream Chaser space system is set to be produced after the cargo variant. Dream Chaser cargo system is operational. The crewed variant is planned to carry up to 7 people and cargo to and from low Earth orbit. So as per the question, the answer is Dream Chaser. Dream Chaser reusable robotic space plane is scheduled by NASA to deliver cargo to the International Space Station ISS in 2022. So I am clicking on the second option, Dream Chaser. I think you guessed this answer only. Now Bangan came here. Now moving to the fourth question and the first image of today's GK questions. Here it is. Which Indian city is this UNESCO World Heritage Site located in? So, which Indian city? This is this World Heritage City by UNESCO. Located in which city? Look at the image. You can identify easily, especially those who have the knowledge in social studies. Repeating the question. Which Indian city is this UNESCO World Heritage Site located in? The options are Lucknow, Mysore, Shillong, Agra. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra in India. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty until 1638 when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. Before capture by the British, the last Indian rulers to have occupied it were the Marathas. In 1983, the Agra Fort was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is about 2.5 kilometers northwest of its more famous sister monument, the Taj Mahal. The fort can be more accurately described as a walled city. So, as per the question, the correct answer is Agra. I think you guessed like me. So, Agra, the Indian city, is this UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Agra only. That is Agra Fort. So, I am clicking on the fourth option, Agra. So, here superb, you seem to be a champion came here. Now, moving to the last image. That means second image and the fifth question of today's GK. Which famous basketball player from this country recently became the MVP, most valuable player in the NBA finals? Here we can see the flag. This also related to history. So which country's flag is this one? So here the options are Thanasis Antetokounmpo, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Kostas Antetokounmpo, Alex Antetokounmpo. Whom you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Keep the answer in your mind. Giannis Antetokounmpo. This is the exact pronunciation. Repeating again. Actually, it is not Giannis. Here Giannis. Giannis not. We have to pronounce it as Giannis Antetokounmpo. Born on December 6th, 1994 in Athens, Greece. You can identify that flag now. He is a Greek professional basketball player for the Milwaukee Bucks of the National Basketball Association. NBA means National Basketball Association. Antetokounmpo nationality, in addition to his size, speed and ball handling skills, have entered him the nickname Greek Freak. So he was called with his nickname as a Greek Freak. Antetokounmpo won back-to-back NBA Most Valuable Player means MVP awards in 2019 and 2020, joining Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and LeBron James as the only players in the NBA history to win 2 MVPs before turning 26. Along with his MVP award, he was also named the NBA Defensive Player of the Year 2020, becoming only the third player after Michael Jordan in 1988 and Hakeem Olajuwon 1994 to win both awards in the same season. In 2021, Antetokounmpo helped lead the Bucks to their first NBA championship since 1971 and was named Finals MVP. So, as per the question, the answer is Giannis Antetokounmpo. So, I am clicking on the second option, Giannis Antetokounmpo. So, bang on came here. So, today's 5 out of questions, 5 out of 5 questions right. As the appreciation you got here, well done. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 5,000. And those who are anxious or curious, they can check the winners list on 19th August 2021. Keep learning, rocking and enhance your learning skills day by day. Have the competitive spirit and don't forget to share with your friends and discuss these great questions. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.